down a lonesome country road where the tall pines sway. There's a dusty trail that bends, leads the heart of her stray. An old barn stands alone beneath the southern sun, and a gray old donkey stands chewing cud for fun. The world outside his fence runs a frantic race. Cars and trucks, they rush by, none keep pace. But he just stands there slow, with a gentle eye, watching life pass him by, like a sweet goodbye. Donkey on the country road, life ain't passing fast. Simple days and quiet nights never seem to last. Chewing on a blade of grass, he don't seem to care. Country roads and donkey dreams, simple life so rare. Folks in town might wonder why he stands alone, but the donkey's found his peace on this road home stone. While the world keeps spinning round in its frantic flight, he's content to stay right here till the stars shine bright. Maybe we could learn from that patient friend. Slow down, take a breath, find a peaceful end. On this sprawling country road, under skies so blue, sometimes slower steps reveal life's grandest view. As the sunset paints the fields in a golden hue, I think about the donkey and the life he knew. Simple joys and quiet steps down that country lane. In his eyes a wisdom grows from love refrain. Sunset floating behind the pines, orange and pink paint the sky so fine. In your arms, everything feels right. Love is strong on this summer night. The crickets sing their evening tune. We sway and dance beneath the moon. In your smile, I see my light. With you, my dear, everything feels right. Everything feels right, holding you near. Whispers of sweetness, words sincere. Heartbeats in sync, love shining bright. In your arms tonight, everything feels right. The old dirt road, we take a slow drive. Windows down, feeling so alive. Your laughter fills the air, a light it can't light. With you by my side, everything feels right. When the world feels heavy, bringing me low, your touch lifts me higher than I could ever go. In the gentle comfort, your embrace, every worry fades without a trace. Everything feels right, holding you near. Whispers of sweetness, words sincere. Heartbeats in sync, love shining night. Everything feels right. Underneath the prairie sky so wide and blue, cattle grazing, winding rivers, sky so true. Grandpa's old guitar strumming near the fire, songs about simple life, never to expire. Fields of golden wheat stretching far and wide, kids playing barefoot in the cool twilight. Tractor hums a tune through the rich, dark soul. Stories of the heart where love and toil uncoil. Prairie skies where the dreams come alive. Heartbeats in the open, love starts to thrive. Underneath the endless blue, we'll always stay. In the land of prairie skies, we'll find our way. Rusty old windmill, spinning slow and proud. Creek that whispers softly, never too loud. Picnic 'neath the willow, shade from the high noon. Folks gather round, whistling sweet June. Evening breeze carries scent of fresh cut hay. Sunset paints the hills, end of another day. Cicadas start their song as the night draws near. Echoes of the past, crystal clear. Prairie skies where the dreams come alive. Heartbeats in the open, love starts to thrive. Underneath the endless blue, we'll always stay. In the land of prairie skies, we'll find our way. Prairie skies where the dreams come alive. Heartbeats in the open, love starts to thrive. Underneath the endless blue, we'll always stay. In the land of prairie skies, we'll find our way.
On a dusty old road where the wildflowers grow, I first saw the glimmer in your eyes, sweet glow. Your smile hit me like a warm summer breeze. Darling, be my baby, would you please?
At the old county fair, under soft neon lights, we danced till the stars bowed out for the night. Your laughter was music, pure and so fine. Be my baby and let two hearts combine.
Be my baby through the storm and the sun. We'll build a love that can't be undone. Hand in hand, forever we'll roam. Be my baby, my heart's only home.
In a small chapel by the creek's gentle flow, we'll say our vows for eternity to show. Under God's watch with family around, Be my baby, and love will abound. We'll rock on the porch when our hair turns gray, through every tear and joyful day. Our love's a story, timeless and true. Be my baby, I'll always love you. Be my baby through the storm and the sun. We'll build a love that can't be undone. Hand in hand, forever we'll roam. Be my baby, my heart's only home. In a one-horse town where the river winds, I used to sit and watch the trains go by. Mama said, child, keep a dream in mind. One day you'll kiss the small town goodbye. I would work the fields till the sun lay low, sweating out the worry in the cool night breeze. He'd say, son, don't fear the seed you sow. With hard work, you can be whatever you please. Chasing dreams underneath the same old sky, sweating out the worry in the cool night breeze. He'd say, son, don't fear the seed you sow. With hard work, you can be whatever you please. Chasing dreams underneath the same old sky, running down that road where freedom lies. Even if the road gets rough and steep, with a heart full of fire, you gotta believe. Grandma's porch swing had stories of gold, of dreams that led her through the hard, hard years. She'd say, child, don't let your dreams grow old. Laughter and tears will chase off your fears. The bright city lights were a distant call as I packed my bags in the dead of night. Left behind that small town and its walls for a future drawn by my heart's own light. Chasing dreams under the same old sky, running down that road where freedom lies. Even if the road gets rough and steep, with a heart full of fire, you gotta believe. Grandma's porch swing had stories of gold, of dreams that led her through the hard, hard years. She'd say, child, don't let your dreams grow old. Laughter and tears will chase off your fears. The bright city lights were a distant call as I packed my bags in the dead of night. Left behind that small town and its walls for a future drawn by my heart's own light. Chasing dreams under the same old sky, running down that road where freedom lies. Even if the road gets rough and steep, with a heart full of fire, you gotta believe. Sunrise on the horizon, painting the sky. Truck engine humming, we're rolling by. Fields of gold shimmer in the morning light. Living our dreams, everything feels right. Small town nights beneath the Milky Way. Guitar strumming soft where the children play. Front porch rockers creaking in tune with the crickets and the whispering moon. We're on top of the world, feeling so free. Simple life, love, just you and me. Hand in hand, we'll take that stand. Living our best life, this heartland. Coffee brewing as the rooster crows. Grandma's wisdom in the wind that blows. Old dirt roads, they guide us back to the sweet truth this world ain't like. Harvest moonshine, dancing all night. Country fair rides, laughs in the twilight. Bonfire stories, stars up above. The simple world is what we truly love. We're on top of the world, feeling so free. Simple life, love, just you and me. Hand in hand, we'll take that stand. Living our best life, this heartland. Harvest moonshine, dancing all night. Country fair rides, laughs in the twilight. Bonfire stories, stars up above. The simple world is what we truly love. We're on top of the world, feeling so free. Simple life, love, just you and me. Hand in hand, we'll take that stand. Living our best life, this heartland. Living our best life, this heartland. Rooster crows at dawn's first light. Rolling out of bed, the world feels right. Tractor hums its morning song. Here on the farm where we belong. Feeding the cattle, mending the fence. Life's a bit rugged, ain't no pretense. Cornfields rustle, whispering breeze. Summers are hot, winters freeze. Home on the farm, where my heart's at ease. Wide open skies, neath the tall oak trees. Simple life, where love's always warm. There's nowhere like home on the farm. Grandma's baking pie, sweet apple scent. Evening sunsets, colors heaven sent. Kids run wild, chasing fireflies. Under the blanket, starry skies. Sunday morning, church bells ring. Voices in harmony, we all sing. Praying for rain, thanking the land. Living by grace, we make our stand. Home on the farm, where my heart's at ease. Wide open skies, neath the tall oak trees. Simple life, where love's always warm. There's nowhere like home on the farm. Grandma's baking pie, sweet apple scent. Venus, sunsets, colors heaven sent. Kids run wild, chasing fireflies under the blanket of starry skies. Sunday morning, church bells ring, voices in harmony, we all sing, praying for rain, thanking the land, living by grace, we make our stand. Home on the farm, where my heart's at ease, wide open skies, neath the tall oak trees. Simple life, where love's always warm, there's nowhere like home on the farm. Sunsets painting the horizon red, old boots crunching on the gravel bed. Wind carries whispers of where we've been, and it's hard to know where magic happens again. Dusty roads lead to dreams untold, barn dances with stories old. The stars find their way to light up the night in the stillness of country. Everything's right. Magic happens in these country lanes, in the fields, in the work, in the autumn rains, where love grows wild and hearts ain't pretending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Picnic blankets on the riverside, sweet tea sipping while the world's in stride. Guitar strumming by a crackling fire, small town living never fails to inspire. Cows are grazing in the morning dew, singing out hymns about a life you never knew. Tractors roll on day by day in this simple living. Magic finds its way. Magic happens in these country lanes, in the fields, in the work, in the autumn rains, where love grows wild and hearts ain't pretending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Magic happens in these country lanes, in the fields, in the work, in the autumn rains, where love grows wild and hearts ain't pretending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Magic happens in these country lanes, in the fields, in the work, in the autumn rains, where love grows wild and hearts ain't pretending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Out in the desert where the tumbleweeds roam, a cowboy rides under a twilight dome, with a six-shooter gleaming, a hero unknown, spurs jingling softly as he rides on alone. Gunpowder lingers in the cold, dry air, smoke from a showdown that once crackled there. His hands swift and steady, his eyes fierce and bright, he brought justice to the dark of the night. Gunpowder lingers in the cold, dry air, smoke from a showdown that once crackled there. His hands swift and steady, his eyes fierce and bright, he brought justice to the dark of the night. Singing bang, bang, the moonlight glow, stories of a hero that all cowboys know, with a heart like gold and a will like steel. When the town was in trouble, he'd always reveal tales told in saloons by the firelight warm, of a cowboy confronting the fiercest storms. wandering freely, no town to call home, but always arriving when danger had grown. A shadow cast long by the dying sun's rays, riding into the west where the wild must stay. No plaque or memorial in the town's dusty square, but his legend lingers in the cool midnight air. Singing bang bang, the moonlight glow, stories of a hero that all cowboys know, with a heart like gold and a will like steel. When the town was in trouble, he'd always reveal. Out of Nashville with a heart full of ache, dreams in my pocket, guitar at my stake. Looking down at fields where the tall grass waves, small towns below like snapshots saved. Clouds rolling by like yesterday's news, city lights fade, traded for sky blues. Onward I soar, chasing a distant star. Nashville song stays close to my heart. Skyward bound, free as a lonesome dove, miles away from the roots I love. Every horizon tells a brand new tale, but the heart of home forever prevails. Pilot's voice crackles through the overhead hum, talking weather and time while my thoughts are numb. Memories of front porches and Sunday pie. There's a piece of home, it ever prevails. A stranger beside me, he's got weary eyes. Silent stories of life told through skies. We share a night, sharing life's brief hiatus. Two souls afloat in the wide open wide. Skyward bound, free as a lonesome dove, miles away from the roots I love. Every horizon tells a brand new tale, but the heart of home forever prevails. Stranger beside me, he's got weary eyes. Silent stories of life told through skies. We share a night, sharing life's brief hiatus. Two souls afloat.
Out on the porch, sun sinking low, wind through the trees, a gentle flow. Her laughter echoed in my mind. One summer night, your love we find. Seasons changed, and so did we. She left the town, but I stayed free. In every letter, she wrote my name. Hope in my heart, love's gentle flame. And when she came back, oh how it shined, like the first kiss, so sweet and kind. We held on tight, never letting go. Missed her like like rain. Now there's a glow. And when she came back, oh how it shined, like the first kiss, so sweet and kind. We held on tight, never letting go. Missed her like rain. Now there's a glow. Nights we danced neath starry skies, shared dreams and whispered goodbyes. Time stood still when she returned. In her eyes, old flames burn. Years may pass, but love it stays through life's winding and dusty ways. Her heart beats strong, right by my side, as we watch the river flowing wide. And when she came back, oh how it shined, like the first kiss, so sweet and kind. We held on tight, never letting go. Missed her like rain. Now there's a glow. And when she came back, oh how it shined, like the first kiss, so sweet and kind. We held on tight, never letting go. Missed her like rain. Now there's a glow.
Out on the porch, neath the sky so wide, empty mason jar with fireflies and sighs inside. Stars weaving tales in a cosmic night. Old six-string hums under pale moonlight. Cornfields whisper secrets of old as Orion stands guard, so brave and bold. Milky Way twinkles like town fair lights, lost in the magic of stargazing nights. Oh, these stargazing nights, our souls take flight. In the hush of the night, everything feels right. From the Big Dipper's twirl to Venus' soft glow, in this vast universe, our love's sure to show. Grandma's quilt wraps us in ancient lore. Each constellation opens heaven's door. Frosty wind sings an old country tune, while the night sky dances to the light of the moon. Cupid's arrows flying across the sky, under celestial canopies, you and I. Talking about dreams, forging plans bright, guided by the cosmos on stargazing nights. Oh, these stargazing nights, our souls take flight. In the hush of the night, everything feels right. From the Big Dipper's twirl to Venus' soft glow, in this vast universe, our love sure to show. Cupid's arrows flying across the sky, under celestial canopies, you and I. Talking about dreams, forging plans bright, guided by the cosmos on stargazing nights. All these stargazing nights, our souls take flight. In the hush of the this vast universe, our love sure does show.
The curtain rises on a small town scene, beneath the lights where dreams are seen. In this old rustic theater where the folks gather round, love's the star of the night in our little town. She wore her heart on a sequin sleeve. He was a farm boy, you better believe. Rare as met across that magic stage, two hearts intertwined on life's third page. Country music and theater nights, casting shadows in the soft moonlight. Love's a melody, love's a play. In this country town it finds a way. They sang songs of heartache and dreams in harmonies that could mend the seams of a life sewn together with thread worn thin. The stage lit their love, let the story begin. Under the stars, near the backstage door, they found something they'd been searching for. Their lines and lyrics so naturally clear. In the rhythm of love they held no fear. Country music and theater nights, casting shadows in the soft moonlight. Love's a melody, love's a play. In this country town it finds a way. Barns chipped and worn, pastures green at break of dawn. Neighbors greet with morning light, living life as stories spawn. Kids run fast, the creek's their home. Dogs chase dreams and wildflowers roam. Dusty trails and gravel roads, a place where hearts and memories calm. The battery and telephone breaks the silence, chills the bone. News from far that hits so close, tears of joy, sorrows moan. Saturday nights in the old dance hall, blues tap rhythm on a wooden floor. Fiddles croon, heart stands tall, loving the life, wanting no more. But in the quiet when it's all done, that phone rings out and the tale's begun. Stockyards quiet, tractor stall, a whispered hope, fate's unspun. That ringing telephone breaks the silence, chills the bone. News from far that hits so close, tears of joy, sorrows moan. Quiet when it's all done, that phone rings out and the tale's begun. Stockyards quiet, tractor stall, a whispered hope, fate's unspun. But that ringing telephone breaks the silence, chills the bone. News from far that hits so close, tears of joy, sorrows moan.
Evening falls on our small town. Kitchen lights and coffee grounds. Dusty board games on the shelf. It's time to lose our busy selves. Grandma's laugh, it fills the air. Brother's looking for his lucky pair. Mama's got the dice in her hand, rolling fate on this piece of land. Roll the dice, let them fly, see where they land. Don't ask why. In this simple life we find peace in the road, time aligned. Candle flickers on game night. Simple joys, no end in sight. Picking pieces, moving slow. Kids grow fast, but here they glow. Daddy's grin says he's the champ. Sister's eyes light like a lamp. Passing turns, we laugh and tease. Every moment a small town breeze. Roll the dice, let them fly, see where they land. Don't ask why. In this simple life we find peace in the road, time aligned. Daddy's grin says he's the champ. Sister's eyes light like a lamp. Passing turns, we laugh and tease. Every moment a small town breeze. Roll the dice, let them fly, see where they land. Don't ask why. In this simple life we find peace in the road, time aligned.
Underneath the starry skies, the moonlight fills our view. With every breath I take, my heart just beats for you. Down that old dirt road, where the wildflowers grew, a love as sweet and pure, it can only be for you. Mornings on the porch swing, coffee cup in hand. We talk about our dreams and plans we've yet to land. Laughter in the kitchen, a life we always knew. But every single moment, it's always been just you. Only you can light my way through the darkest nights. Only you can make me stay and never lose sight. In this small town life we lead, where the simple things are true, I'm forever grateful, babe, that I've got only you. Walking by the river, where memories float like leaves, in your arms I find my strength, my heart upon my sleeve. The creaking of the barn, the whispers in the breeze, a life that's full and rich, it's all because of you and me. Sunday service ringing, the choir sings our song. Hand in hand we sit there, knowing where we belong. Through every storm and sunshine, through every faded hue, count my many blessings, and they all start with you. Only you can light my way through the dark are true. I'm forever grateful, babe, that I got only you. Only you can light my way through the darkest nights. Only you can make me stay and never lose sight. In this small town life we lead, where the simple things are true, I'm forever grateful, babe, that I've got only you.
Relaxation.